YouTube? This is T at T Productions, and today I am your host, the Angry Lotto Scratcher. And I have Ticket Grinder for you. $2 lucky number 7s. This is the 5th iteration of these tickets, and they are hard to win on. We're hoping to change that today, so let's see what we can do. This is ticket number 46. Odds on the ticket is 1 and 319. Alright, so let's see. It says here, reveal a black 7 symbol, win prize shown for that symbol. Reveal a red 7 symbol, instantly win triple the prize shown for that symbol. Alright, so we're just looking for 7s. Here we go. See what we get. 10, 6, 1, 10, 6, 1, 14, 15, still nothing there. Last row, a 2, 11, 13, 9, and a 12. No win there. First ticket, no win. Number 47. Here we go. We have an 8. A 1 off. 12. 10. 15. A 2. Still no 7. Last row. 6. 11 again. 4. 13, 14. No win there on that one either. 2 down. Grinding these things are tough. Here we go with number 48. We have a 9, 6, 10, 14, 12, last row, still no 7s, 18, 2, 8, 3, and 5. No win there either. 3 tickets down. Still nothing. Oh man, they are tough to grind. Here we go with number 49. Alright. We have a 3, an 18, 14. Wow, that's the second, that's like, what's that? The 4th time that 14 showed up? I lost count. 2, still no 7. 11 again. And there's that G-Steen of Death. Second row, last row. 12, 9, 5, 8, and 1. Still nothing there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4th ticket and 3 to go. Still no 7 found yet. Oh boy. Here we go. Ticket number 50. Alright, let's see if we can change our luck with ticket number 50. We have a 2, a 20, 14, 1, 6, 1 off from 7. Still no 7 though. Last row. We have a 4, a 5, a 15, 12, and a 3. Still no win. Oh boy. 2 tickets left. And this is ticket number 51. Come on, 7. Show up. Please do show up. 4, 2, 15, 6, 20, 3, 10, 5, 14, another 14, Last one. 16. Still no win. Oh, here we go. Last ticket. Number 7. And this is ticket number 52 of these lucky number 7s. So far, they ain't so lucky. Here we go. First row. 10. There's the 7 right there. Black 7. Can we match that 7? Let's find out. 11. 18. 3. Let's see. Black 7. It's only win, so it's a single prize. 3. See if we can find another black 7 in here. A 2. A 6. 9. A 1. And an 8. Alright. Let's see what's behind this black 7. Little zeros. $4. Well, there it is. $4. Well, at least we got one winner out of... How many did we do? Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 tickets, we have a win for $4. Right there, folks. Here they all are. Like, subscribe, share, comment. T@T Productions. We'll see you again. And have a great day. And I know this is not going to probably be out in time for Christmas, but Merry Christmas to all of you, and have a wonderful holiday. Bye-bye now.